Welcome back. Back again. Yes, I'm back. Hello, friends. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hello. How are y'all doing? Fine, I hope. This video is for my 2024 new influencers, content creator, whatever you're doing. I'm going to give you some tips, some tricks, and I'm going to teach you some stuff. Rule to being a content creator, and I am not monetized on any platform. Love the content you create. That is all I'm going to say. You have to love it because this is you marketing yourself. Once you put that content out there, you can get that content back. Like, it's all over the world. The internet is gone, baby. So before you jump into this head first, foot first, feet first, like the girl who left Tallahassee and moved to Houston to be an influencer and is now in a homeless shelter with her kids, let me give you some tips and tricks. One, anything around your house is content. If you have a wig, it can be synthetic, human. It can be your own hair. If you can style it, do it, and maintain it and teach us, baby, it's content. If you can do your own nails, if you were DIY, baby, that's content. I might want to see that content. If you are a stay-at-home mom and you can cook, those are content. Now, everything don't belong on the internet. Yes, I will guarantee and granted give you that. But you are in charge of what you post and what you create to market you and your brand. Number two, and I'm going to be as real and as honest as I could be with this. When you start, do not buy any gadgets. Do not invest in any gadgets. And I'm going to tell you why. I got my first 200 subscribers with this. Now, this is the note. This is the first phone that I had, and I was recording and uploading videos on. Wig reviews. Now, you name it, I recorded. Now, don't get me wrong, it comes on. My screen is cracked up and all, but she still worked 5,000%. That's why I still have her. She still works. I'm going to put a chip in her tomorrow in the plan, and them pictures going to pop, okay? Still work. Use it. Yes, it's an Android. Yes, they tell you, oh, you need an iPhone. If you have an iPhone, perfect. But I had a note, and I was doing my thing. Okay? Okay. Then, had a free phone. I still was uploading and doing my thing. So, I didn't invest in myself. And I'm going to take that back. I got to 800 and something subscribers, and I was staying still. And when I got to 800 subscribers, I invested in myself, and I brought this camera from Amazon for $79. The viral Amazon, that's what this is. The same thing all them other that is what this is. And I still have her. I have never used her. Can't tell you where her UBS is and none of that. But I still have her. Now, am I going to buy another camera? Yeah. Am I going to spend $400 to $500 for the camera? No. This is a tip and a trick that I heard from another content creator, and she was absolutely true. I forget her name. I heard it so many years ago. She said, do not buy a camera. Do not change your phone. Do not do anything if you're not going to be a content creator. And she's absolutely right. This is not for everybody. You need to have, and this is tip number 4 that another content creator, you need real tough thick skin. Like the stuff people say, you can either have a clap back in your comments, or you can do what I do, hearted like it, and let them know you still ain't gonna lose no sleep, baby. Whatever they felt about that video that they viewed and thought to leave that negative of a comment, thank you for the boo love. Like, welcome. Because if you're gonna be one of those who, oh my God, I can't believe they said this about me, baby, this ain't for you. And if you think they worse over here with the trolls, don't go to TikTok. Because you can't mess with them. Not on TikTok. Now, my husband finally invested in me again. I have the iPhone 15 Pro, yay me, in white. I have not really recorded videos from this. I am still recording videos on my Android. I also have the smart watch in white. And then, because we got to do it together, I have my iPad. And it's in blue. And when I tell you I jumped up and down like a little kid, yes, I jumped up and down like a little kid. Let's unbox her. And I say this to say, if you are thinking about it, if you are already creating content, you need a schedule. Do not be like me. I do not have a schedule. I upload content when I choose to. Prime example, I just put out a video of me making breakfast Sunday morning. I am not talking in the video. I am not saying nothing. You can hear my kids. It's like an AMSR video. But I am cooking in the video. And I posted it because it was content. Why was it content? Because I got up and I made Sunday breakfast. As you see this video now, I am not going to edit it. My kids, you can clearly hear, and they in the bed. But this video is dedicated to my content creators. Keep pushing. Do not edit every little thing out of your video. People want real, raw, authentic you. Do not get up here and be like, oh, I'm not like the aesthetic girlies. I don't have an aesthetic. Baby, I don't either. Oh, I'm not baby, I don't either. Sometimes I might be well put together. Sometimes you might see a Negro with a bonnet on. You just never know. But both times, I'm still a content creator. You see. Okay? Now, you see that? Did you see that? I'm going to put that there for a minute. You just put it there. So, I am officially an iPad girl. So again, invest in your channel according to your growth. Invest in your channel according to how you're going to be content. And I'm going to give you a little trick. I was not consistent until I got stuck at 800 and something subscribers, and it wouldn't go past 8. I did Vlogtober because I'm a Libra and my birthday's in October. And I grew my channel. I am now at 1.9K family members. And I love each and every one of them. The new ones, my old day one ones, and the ones that's just coming because they like what they see. So your audience, if nothing else from this video you take, you have a bunch of quirky, goofy weirdos in this world that are just like you. your community, your family member, sometimes your family members, your gang, whatever you want to call them, your loyal people will find you. So from me to you, do it. Drop that channel, whatever you got. I will subscribe and follow you because I support when we support each other. See you in the next one.